Hello everyone, and welcome to TechSphere Academy.
Welcome to our review of the Itel S25 Ultra, a budget gaming smartphone for young people. Itel S25 Ultra is a flagship gaming smartphone that is very similar to Samsung S25 Ultra. However, it is much cheaper. Stick around to the end of the video to see how much you could save. For those of us who have never heard of Itel, they are a Chinese mobile phone manufacturer company that was founded by Transsion Holdings Co. Limited in March 2008. If you are young and you like to play games and looking for a cheap gaming phone, the Itel S25 Ultra could be a good choice. Do not let the low price put you off, as it offers enough performance for light gaming. With a sleek and modern design, the Itel S25 Ultra appeals to the younger demographic looking for style. The 6.6-inch HD Plus display offers an immersive experience for gaming compared to the smaller 5.5-inch version in the standard S25. Other specs include 6.9mm thickness, lightweight 163G, a rear RGB ring light, IP64 water resistance, dual SIM, and with 4G VoLTE Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi USB-C version 2.0, and an IR blaster, it offers versatile connectivity. Powered by a quad-core processor, the Itel S25 Ultra handles casual gaming and everyday tasks effectively. With up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage, multitasking becomes seamless for users who game and chat simultaneously. Light games like Free Fire run smoothly, making it suitable for casual gamers, despite limitations on demanding titles. The 4000 mAh battery ensures a full day of usage, perfect for active young users on the go. The 8MP rear camera captures decent images for everyday snaps, aligning with social media needs. And the 20MP rear camera has you covered if that's not enough. The lightweight Android Go platform is quite supportive of gaming performance on the S25 Ultra. Apps and games on Android Go are also lighter so the phone doesn't fill up.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. But for now, let's continue with the review, starting with the additional features.
Additional features include the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone, and AI battery manager to intelligently optimize battery usage, extending its standby time. Priced competitively, the S25 Ultra offers excellent value for consumers. If you are seeking casual gaming and everyday use, especially for younger audiences. For those who are eager for an affordable smartphone that can handle light gaming, the Itel S25 Ultra is a worthy option. So, how does the S25 stack up against its main rival, the Samsung S24? On the face of it, the Samsung has the better specs with higher MPs, more RAM and a better processor. But the price difference is huge. So before you make a choice, have a serious think. Think about the extra cash. How many extra drinks can you buy? How many trips can you take? How many extra kilometers can you drive? How many?